Riwruok mar Okinde mapacho ka LSK ne obago ng'anyo mamuol mar sundo bero lwasi mar chenro duto mag migao mochung'ne weche puothe e thurka. LSK seyo moko kuom apisas madito e migao mar lope kuom rem tiyo kod lony manyasani e tayo weche mag puodho kaachiel koda lope ma thurka. Gino magiwacho ne osenyayo mibadhi mokalo e migao no. Eriko Wenga ni kod ler.
Sang'wen okinyi, Okinde mapacho kano olore apaya ka ging'anyo mar kwedo kang' mar deko chako tayo chenro mag migaono e yor lony manyasani. Gino magiwacho ni osomono jopiny yudo kony e yo makare kaka ne chenro no geto. Riwruogno no obago ng'anyo mamuol kowuok e chuny boma Nairobi nyaka e log tich mar migaono.
The ministry to ensure the manual records during this transitional period are kept at the land registry. Introduction of at least 3-year transition period for a manual backup system to run alongside the electronic system until all records and data are available and verified on the electronic system, and the electronic registry is fully operational without common glitches currently being faced.
These are not just challenges that are faced by lawyers. They are challenges that are faced by valuers, by surveyors, by any stakeholder who is in the Ministry of Lands.
Kagigeto redho dwaro margi ni tend migaono. Jatend piny machon Uhuru Kenyatta higa mag 2021 nosidho ayanga chenro mar neno ni jopiny oyudo kony weche mag puothe kokalo e lony manyasani. Ka Okinde wacho ni koso timo kamano koro oseketo jokanyo kama tek mokalo.
These are challenges that are being faced by our fellow Kenyans. Yes. We are aware of instances where landowners, while they are waiting for their documents to be processed so that they can access a loan facility to travel for medical cases, have actually died as they wait for the ministry to process.
Kamano bende osomiyo mibadhi thuolo e migaono.
We are also facing a lot of challenges, and I think it's very important that we become candid. That these challenges, we don't know if they are deliberate to extort Kenyans. If you go to the registry, if you go to the registries, the Ministry of Lands would soon become a center of corruption. If we continue with this trajectory that we are following, we are very afraid that there will be a total collapse of land administration in this country.
Bankers Association are estimating worth of 100 billion plus of transactions stalled because of those pending issues. We are determined to unlock them. We have a timeline of 60 days to unlock. Yes. Yes. That is.
Ng'anyo mar Okinde no otimore e mokwongo bombe madito mathuruka ka gigeto kendo sundo piny owacho rando mar neno ni lokruok mapiyo otimore e dwaro margi no.
Additionally, land registries across the country continue to experience inefficiencies arising from lack of adequate personnel, missing files, incomplete land record breakdown on franking machines, lack of working and reliable record management system.
Ng'anyo mamuol no ne ochopo gikone bang' jagoro mongirore e bad migao mar puothe Nixon Korir kawo oboke margi no kendo osingo nobiro kawo okang' mowinjore.
My commitment is that we will instill discipline. We will ensure that if there are officers who are corrupt, they are dealt with. We will ensure that if there are officers who are ineffective, we will deal with it. Because you know, we are service delivery ministry. And if we cannot deliver service effectively, then we stole so many other things.
Eriko Wenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.